All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof, long wheelbase, beautiful white with the gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system, got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, only 16,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, no damage around the body. Let's go real quick, your front bumper. Let's have some cracking, I guess, back here. About 6 inches. Coming around, another cracking here, about 6 inches as well. And some more scuffings down here. You need a new bumper here, folks. All right, this quarter looks, this hood looks good. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your your front driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread is 10/32. This door looks good. This quarter, it does have a dent, as you can see right there. Boom. Unglued it from here, but just wanted to show you guys, it does have a dent right there. The rest looks pretty darn decent. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel and your tire thread. Okay. Is at over 7/32. Coming around, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors right here. This front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Pow. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your mileage of 16,550. You see it does have airbag light on. I'm sorry, not airbag. Tire pressure. Tire pressure light on. All right, coming around. Rear bumper. Rear bumper looks pretty decent. Does have a little dinghy there. Another one here. The doors look good. Swing this thing out. Swing this one out. Boom. This is what it looks like from here. Very nice. And one of your doors looks like. Looks pretty good. Looks decent. Hola, Catra. What happened here? All right. Let's see this door. Let's see this door. Looks good. All right. Let's check out your roof. You have some damage up there. We'll check that out. Ow. All right. Does have some damage here, as you can see. Got a dent right here. This light actually works, believe it or not. Or actually, no, it does not work. But has a dent here on the light itself. Definitely backed up into something. And there it is, guys. All right. Doors do have a couple of dings. One here, one there, one there, one here. This quarter looks pretty good. There's the rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread. Over 7/32. All right, let's check out this little damage you got here as well. It's got a little dent here, right there, and another one there, as you can see it. Boom, boom. All right. Now, check out the rest. Looks pretty good. Your door does have a dent right there. What your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Boom. And last, but certainly not least, your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front door here looks good. Got a little dinghy. All right, front fender does have a dent here, as you can see it. Boom. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. Tire thread under 7/32, above 4. I believe there is a little cracking here. Yep. Get a little cracking here, as you can see it. Boom. C3, about 6 inches. All right. That's about it, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T250 mid-roof with long wheelbase with 16,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.